Basic SEO knowledge is one of the best skills a school marketer can have. That's because prospective families expect to find all the information they need about your school in just a few minutes. If families can't find your website, then you're missing the opportunity to engage them and make a positive impression. If you're a school marketer looking to get started with SEO, here are the 3 top skills you'll need to learn. Number 1, learn how to ensure search engines can crawl and index your website. This is a process where a search engine like Google sends out a team of robots to crawl through your website, finding all of the pages that are available to be displayed within its index. If you're a marketer, particularly if you're launching a new website, you'll need to learn how to tell Google how to crawl your website. The second skill you'll need is the ability to write interesting content that answers your audience's questions. The role of a website is to provide answers. That's it, plain and simple. So flex your writing muscles and learn to write content that is simple, engaging, and provides clear information. To do this, you'll need to master the inverted pyramid method. This is a process where you put the most important information right at the top and then include your more in-depth information lower down the page. Finally, you'll need to learn how to perform keyword research. Keywords are one signal to search engines that tell them what your content is all about. When you perform keyword research, you're essentially identifying which terms your searchers will be looking for that your content will target. You'll also need to know what metrics to pay attention to when choosing your keywords. And that's it for our top 3 SEO skills for Digistorm marketers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video or want more tips and tricks on school marketing, then please subscribe to the Digistorm YouTube channel.